Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find out if anyone is using your TikTok account. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to open your TikTok application, and after you have opened your TikTok, you have to go to your setting and privacy. Go to your profile first, and then you can click on the three lines and select the setting and privacy. Okay, and after you have opened the settings and privacy, go to the security and permissions and go to the security alerts. Okay, and if there is someone who's using your TikTok account, you will get security alerts. You will be able to detect it right here in this menu. Just open the security alerts, and you can also check your logged in devices. If someone is using your TikTok account, the device will appear and you can look out from here in this menu guys. And as you can see that my TikTok account only logged into this device, so there is no someone who's using my TikTok account. Alright guys, and that's all the way to find out if anyone is using our TikTok account. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.